Driving is an essential part of our lives. On average, we drive 46 minutes in a day. Have you ever felt bored or tired on the road? Are you fed up with getting stuck in the middle of a traffic jam? Why don't we deserve a better driving experience? Today, TraceBird Smart Pillow is born here for your driving comfort. Having a unique and professional smart massage, FM function, phone answering function, and driving record system, TraceBird Smart Pillow can definitely offer you a cozy and relaxing driving state that everyone desires. What you need is to simply connect your smartphone with it. By just a click, you can activate the airbag system to adjust the thickness of the pillow in your own favor. Together with over 10 different modes of massage, TraceBird Smart Pillow provides you with the greatest comfort in the ride. Without a command, an automatic massage for every 30 minutes driving helps to get rid of all the fatigue. With the built-in FM transmitter, just feel free to broadcast your phone music on the car radio and enjoy it. You can pick up calls by lying gently on the pillow. Hands are still available on the steering wheel. You don't have to take your eyes off the road. You can also immediately share with your friend your driving route or location. Tell them where you are before they get angry.
In the previous 2 years, we have been working very hard for the product, aiming to provide users with the highest comfortability. We spare no pains to take every detail into account and make it with top quality. We do hope that users can feel our wholehearted effort when they use the pillow. There are several materials and colors for pillow selection. Pick one based on your preference. We need your support.
The Mobileye system continuously scans the area in front of your vehicle, detecting all types of vehicles in your path, including motorcycles. The system calculates the relative speed and, in critical situations, issues both a visual and auditory warning of an impending collision with the vehicle ahead. The system can provide a warning of up to 2.7 seconds before impact, both during city and highway driving. The Mobileye system is able to detect lane markings and can identify when your vehicle departs from its driving lane. The Mobileye system recognizes when the vehicle begins to drift from its lane without the use of a turn signal and issues an immediate visual and auditory warning, prompting the driver to return focus to the wheel. The Mobileye system monitors the distance between your vehicle and the one ahead of you at all times and in all weather conditions. The Mobileye system provides a precise, real-time indication of the distance in seconds. When the relative distance becomes unsafe, it alerts you with a visual and auditory warning. To suit your needs, the system may be collaborated to issue warnings at different ranges of distance. Mobileye, our vision, your safety.
Hello, Adam.
Hello again, Navdy.
Fastest route found to Early Bird Cafe.
You and me, we're busy people. And being busy means checking your phone, even when you're not supposed to. Even when you're on the road. But now there's Navdy. Hold on, I gotta get this. Casey, talk to me.
Hey Adam, quick reminder. First thing today is that coffee with Connie and Greg at the Early Bird.
Already on my way. See, what's brilliant about Navdy is that...
Faster route found. Automatically rerouting to save 10 minutes.
Perfect. Never been this way before. Gonna switch to Navdy Dash. See, what's so brilliant about Navdy is its display is focused in the distance, so your eyes are never off the road. It's also 40 times brighter than your smartphone, and it dims automatically, so it's easy to see day or night. In fact, it works... Sorry, gotta take this one too.
Greg and I actually want to do Roy's Cafe out on 62, smiley face.
Oh, awesome. Luckily, Roy's is one of my favorites. Navdy uses Google Maps and built-in offline maps, so you'll never get lost, like out here in the desert. And it's connected to your car, which means that...
Low on gas. Rerouting to nearest gas station.
Text Connie, be there in 15.
You have arrived.
Thanks, Navdy. See you soon.